Hello everyone, I am Fuji. Welcome to the Fuji's Kitchen. Japan is autumn now. Various food are delicious season. Mushroom, pumpkin, and sweet potato. Eggplant is also delicious. There is a saying in Japan, don't let bread eat autumn eggplants because it's so delicious. Of course, that's a black humor. In the past, mother-in-law was mean. Today, I'll cook eggplant with herring. This is a very traditional recipe. It takes a lot of work, but it's very delicious. Please try it. Then, let's get started. Soak half-dried herring in rice portion juice overnight. This will remove excess fat. Cut of gills. Cut of the bones. Remove small bones. Cut into 3 to 4 pieces. Put herring in the pan. Add 500 cc water. 1 tablespoon green tea leaves. Boil on low heat for 30 minutes. This way you can cook it softly. Wash herring. Remove scales and slimes. Cut eggplant. Make fine cuts on the peel. Fried eggplant. By doing this, the color will not fade even if it's boiled. Drain the oil. 300 cc dashi. 2 tablespoons sugar. 2 tablespoons sake. 2 tablespoons mirin. 3 tablespoons soy sauce and a little salt. Add herring. Put on high heat. Cover with aluminum foil. Boil over low heat for 15 minutes. Add eggplant. Cover with aluminum foil. Boil over low heat for 10 minutes. Let it cool and soak in taste. Serve with green onion. The umami of herring is amazing. It's very good with eggplant. And there is no smell of herring because I was a lot of work. This is the Japanese cuisine. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and thumbs up. See you next time.